Hello and welcome to Moneycontrol's Business Roundup. Here are the top headlines of the day. GST Council align on the need to cut insurance premiums. Specific proposal referred to group of ministers. Bajaj Housing Finance IPO fully subscribed in just 4 hours after opening. EVs will cost the same as petrol and diesel vehicles in 2 years, says Nitin Gadkari. Nifty snaps 3-day fall, 25,000 to 2,500 major hurdles. GMR Airports to acquire 10% in DIAL for $126 million. Now let's talk about these headlines in detail. The Goods and Services Tax Council in its 54th meeting held on Monday broadly converged on the need to reduce the tax rate for health and life insurance premiums from 18%, but the specific proposal has now been referred to the group of ministers for further discussion. The group of ministers on rate rationalization along with the ministers from some states will discuss the issue in further detail. The GOM on rate rationalization will meet in Goa on September 23rd and the next GST Council meeting will be held in November. There was broad consensus for GST on health and life insurance premiums to be reduced, but modalities will be decided in the next council meeting, said the sources. Bajaj Housing Finance's mega 6,560 crore rupees IPO, which opened for bidding on Monday, September 9th, was fully subscribed in just 4 hours. HNIs or non-institutional wealthy investors as well as retail quota have already oversubscribed their reserved portion. Bajaj Housing Finance had collected a massive 1,758 crore rupees from anchor investors on Friday. The 6,560 crore rupees initial share sale will conclude on September 11th. Within 2 years, the cost of petrol and diesel vehicles will be the same as that of electric vehicle, said Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari while addressing the 64th ACMA annual session. The minister also said that he doesn't have any problem with the finance minister giving subsidies on EVs after earlier suggesting that subsidies to EV makers are no longer required as the cost of production has come down and consumers are now opting for electric vehicles or CNG vehicles on their own. In India, EVs had a 6.3% market share last year, a 50% jump from the prior year. The Nifty 50 index snapped a 3-day losing streak and ended comfortably above 24,900 on September 9th, mostly led by FMCG and banking names. The index started the week on a negative note with the Nifty below 24,850 but erased all the losses in the initial hours and witnessed range-bound trading in the first half. However, final hour buying helped the index to close 84.20 points or 0.34% higher at 24,936.40. Top Nifty gainers were HUL, Shriram Finance, ICICI Bank, ITC and Britannia Industries, while losers were ONGC, Tech Mahindra, Hindalco Industries, NTPC and BPCL. Among sectors, FMCG index rose 2% and private bank index was up 1%, while energy, information technology, metal, media, pharma, realty ended on a negative note. GMR Airport Infrastructure will be acquiring a 10% interest in Delhi International Airport for a sum of $126 million, a company statement said on September 9th. The acquisition will be via a share purchase agreement with Fraport AG Frankfurt Airport Service Worldwide, the company said. The acquisition of additional stake in DIAL is in line with our objective of consolidating our presence in core assets of the group and signifies the importance of Delhi Airport in the overall group portfolio, said Kiran Kumar Gandhi, corporate chairman of GMR Group. And that's the wrap for the day.